Hey Gen Z devs, let's talk about something crucial in today's web development world: responsive design. It's not just a buzzword, it's an essential practice that can make or break your website. Why is it so important? Because we live in a multi-device world. Phones, tablets, laptops, desktops, you name it. Our designs need to shine on all of them, providing a seamless experience no matter the device. Think about it. Clunky websites are a total turnoff for users. Slow loading times, awkward navigation, and content crammed into tiny spaces. No one has time for that. Users will quickly abandon your site if it's not user-friendly. Responsive design ensures your sites are smooth and enjoyable to use no matter the screen size or device. The key to achieving this is to start with mobile-first design. Why start with mobile? Because it forces you to prioritize content and streamline the user experience from the get-go. Then, as the screen gets bigger, you can gradually add more elements and complexity to enhance the experience. It's like building a solid foundation first, then adding the fancy stuff later. This approach ensures a robust and user-friendly website. Now let's talk about Tailwind CSS, a game changer in the world of web design. It's a utility-first CSS framework that makes responsive design a breeze, simplifying the process of creating beautiful, functional websites. No more writing tons of custom CSS or wrestling with complex media queries. Tailwind CSS eliminates the need for repetitive coding. Tailwind gives you a set of predefined CSS classes that you can apply directly to your HTML elements, making your workflow faster and more efficient. Think of it like building blocks for your design. Each class is a piece of the puzzle, fitting perfectly into your project. Need to add padding? There's a class for that. Tailwind makes it easy to tweak your design with minimal effort. Want to change the font size on mobile? Done. Tailwind's responsive utilities make it simple to adjust styles for different devices. The beauty of Tailwind is its flexibility. You can customize it to fit any project, big or small. You can use it for small projects or large, complex applications. Tailwind scales with your needs, providing consistency across your designs. And since it's mobile first, you can be sure your designs will look amazing on any device. Tailwind CSS ensures a seamless experience no matter where your users are. Breakpoints are the heart of responsive design in Tailwind. They're specific screen widths where your layout adjusts. Think of them as checkpoints where you tell your design, okay, time to switch things up. Tailwind comes with default breakpoints, small, medium, large, etc. But you can customize them to fit your needs. Want a specific layout for tablets? Just add a breakpoint. Using breakpoints is super easy. Just add the breakpoint prefix to any Tailwind class. For example, we'll make the text extra large on medium screens and above. It's that simple. Section 4. Grid Power Layouts that Flow. Grid layouts are your secret weapon for creating dynamic and responsive designs. They let you arrange content in rows and columns, making it easy to adapt to different screen sizes. Tailwind's grid system is incredibly powerful and intuitive. You can create simple two-column layouts or complex multi-column designs with just a few lines of code. The key is to think about how you want your content to flow on different devices. Should it stack vertically on mobile? Should it rearrange into a different layout on desktop? With Tailwind's grid system, the possibilities are endless. Section 5. Responsive UI Secrets, Delightful Details. Responsive design isn't just about layouts. It's also about the little details that make your UI a joy to use. These details can significantly enhance the user experience, making your website not only functional but also delightful to interact with. Here are a few tips to get you started on perfecting those delightful details. Font sizes. Make sure your text is readable on all devices. This means considering the various screen sizes and resolutions your users might have. Use relative units like em or rem for optimal scaling. These units allow your text to adjust smoothly across different devices, ensuring readability and consistency. Button sizes. Tiny buttons are a pain to tap on mobile. They can frustrate users and lead to a poor experience. Make sure your buttons are large enough to interact with easily. Consider the average finger size and provide enough spacing around buttons to prevent accidental taps. Images. Use responsive images to ensure they look sharp and load quickly on all devices. This involves using the src set attribute to provide different image sizes for different screen resolutions. Additionally, consider using modern image formats like WebP for better compression and faster loading times. By paying attention to these details, you can create a truly polished and user-friendly experience for all your users. A well-thought-out responsive design can make your website stand out and keep users coming back. Remember, mastering responsive design takes practice. It's a continuous learning process that evolves with new technologies and user expectations. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and have fun with it. Innovation often comes from trying out new ideas and learning from the results. With Tailwind CSS by your side, you'll be building stunning, responsive websites in no time. Its utility-first approach makes it easier to implement responsive design principles effectively.